Mr. Organic, the pure one. Goats. Believe in yourself like you believe in God. That's why
Have no fear. Woo-hoo. Mr. Organic is here. .com. Man, shout out to everybody in the Organic Nation. G Squad, of course. Can't forget the G Squad. Shout out to my dog Slim. I see you out there in the Honolulu, not Maui, different island. Shout out to everybody that's giving love, hitting those likes, comments below. Appreciate y'all, man. We going and growing. Of course, I can't forget. We going sit in the sauna. Boom. Hot to the motherfucker. Hey, shout out to everybody in the Organic Nation, everybody in the Dark Gold Gang. I appreciate y'all more than y'all know. We're gonna continue to go and grow. It's SRT up to the death. Now, today we have an exciting day, of course. Build day number 5. I'm gonna check on the vet. They're supposed to have the top of it done with the black. We're gonna see. You never know until we go. Also, knocking out some merch, knocking out some new logos, getting that shipped out and mailed out to you people. Appreciate y'all supporting the campaign. We're gonna continue to have growth. You understand me? Appreciate y'all loving the music. Make sure you're streaming on all music platforms. Tidal, Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, Google Play, every single thing. Make sure you type in Mr. Organic. The links below in the description for the album and also Young Gon' Nigga the single. So let me get in the whip, man, onto the Mustang. Damn, I need my string in the back. Look, swipe up. All right, now we're in the garage of greatness. Let's start this Mustang up, man. See how that thing sounded, man. Ready for this? Come on now, watch this, man. Mustang, awaken now. It ain't awakening. Mustang, awaken now. Mustang, awaken now. Hold on, here you go. It's not. Nah, embarrassing. I guess you don't want to wait for me. Why you don't want to wake up for me, man? Is that disrespectful? I don't know. There you go. Toaster! Microwave! Alright, man. Alright, man, I want to weigh the pristine detail. But before I go there, I got to make a quick run to the merch shop and to grab these new merches and knock out these new logos for y'all. And I head down there, we'll show you know the process on the Corvette. Shout out to my dogs at Pristine Detail, my dog Mylan. Make sure you subscribe to his channel, Miles with Mylan. You know what I mean? His link should be below in the description. Hey, white man, man, shut up, man. Heroin users, big crack smokers. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. But anyway, man, you already know, man, the CBD oil is on the way, man. Make sure you stay tuned for that, man. I got big products coming your way. More than y'all can even imagine. I got so much in the works, man. It's like, it's type disrespectful what I got in the works, man. Can nobody or nothing stop this glory and this grind, man. I got so much, man. Y'all gonna see. Just stay tuned. That's all you gotta do. All you do is sit back and stay tuned. You know what I mean? And see what I consume, man. So bless yourself, don't stress yourself, man. 3 up to God, man. It's kind of hot up here. Finna get up out of this garage. 3 up, swipe. Let me get 1. Let me get 2. Let me get 3. All right, you see what's going on, man. Got the new Hellcat Hooligans logo and merch. Everybody kept asking about it. Well, damn it, it's here. You understand me? Got the t-shirts, sweatsuits, everything's gonna be coming super suit. See the logo on the back? That's the Hellcat Hooligan. Yeah, look at that. Don't be deprived of greatness, man. Make sure you join the campaign. It's a Hellcat Hooligan thing. Ooh, put a little different on it. It ain't the same as the one that's on the D9. It's got a little extra variation, so don't get it misconstrued or fucked up. I'm a dog Slim say. Look at that, man. New merch on the way, man. It should be on the website soon. Hellcat Hooligans, man. You hear me? Don't you like that? Come on, like I said, on the back, you don't look substantial on the back, walking around, looking pure. 3 of them, the guy got y'all together, man. So So make sure you hit up Organic Lifestyle with a K, Lifestyle with a Y. Organic with a K, Lifestyle with a Y. Let me reiterate that, man. Hellcat hooligan shit, man. Big merch alert.com in your mouth. So boom, man. New Hellcat Hooligans logo is crazy. I can't wait to put that on the new super suits and all that. Y'all gonna love it. I know I am too. Gonna be very exclusive. Y'all gonna see that soon. I gotta mail off this merch. I got some honey to mail off, shirts, hats, everything, man. So shout out to everybody that's ordering the Miss Nerch, man. I appreciate y'all, man. Doing business. It's organic blessings for sure. 3 of them. God, hop in this joint, man. Now it's time to check on the vet. See how that's going, man. 3 of them.
3 of them. The guard. The Gargoylean guard himself, man. Gargoyle gang. Gang stands for going after new goals. Always so ferocious. We hard, fly. We're always on top. Visionary with this shit, nigga. 3 of them. Gargoyle gang gang. Gargoyle gang gang. Gargoyle gang gang. The gang, the gang, gang, the gang, the gang gang. Gargoyle gang gang. Gargoyle gang gang. Gargoyle gang gang. The gang, the gang, gang, the gang, the gang gang. Going after new goals. Going after new goals. Yeah. Going after new goals. Yeah. I'm a gargoyle. Yeah. Going after new goals. Yeah. Going after new goals. Yeah. Going after new goals. Yeah. I'm a gargoyle. Yeah. Corvette switching lanes. Hellcat switching lanes. Organic on the chain, nigga. And you see it on the ring, nigga. Yeah, spending all the money. Cause I get it like it's funny. Yeah, no counterfeit here. Yeah, everything is real. Yeah, I'm the black man of steel. I don't steal, I kill. Yeah, Debo on the block, nigga. But I'm riding with a Glock, nigga. I don't steal shit, I just kill shit. Motherfucker, I'm me. Every time you see me, I'm glowing, nigga, like I'm Bruce Lee. Boy, I got the glow, fuck, nigga. I'ma go to the top. Show enough, every time it get hot, I'ma drop the top. Yeah, Corvette switching lanes. Hellcat switching lanes. Diamonds all in my chain. Gold all on my fangs. Gargoyle gang gang. Gargoyle gang gang. Hey, shout out to the Gargoyle gang gang. Make sure y'all get that on iTunes and all that too, man. The music is magnificent, man. Can't nobody mess with me in fashion. Can't nobody mess with me with charisma and branding. CBD oil. What y'all need, man? Honey. SRTF clothing. Hellcat Hooligans merch. Music. I'm that dude, man. Undisputed. And know why? Because I built the brand, and that's what everybody should take away from what I do. This ain't looking at nothing. Just keep going. Look. Damn. But take away from what I did and what I do is I built the brand. That's the most important thing. Look at this mother goofy. Boy. Yeah, I paid this to these Rapunzel, reptar brain mother. But pay attention to what I do and what I did. I built the brand, man, from the seed. So when you build a brand, everything that comes off that fruit belongs to you. So you gotta plant those seeds and build the brand. And then when your orchard props up, you can sell the apples and the oranges and the pears and the peaches, because you really have a whole orchard. And anybody out there that's farmers or something like that, I really want to do my own Mr. Organic orchard and have my own fruit and stuff like that. I think that'd be a very remarkable thing. So anybody out there that has anything of that nature, holla at me, because that's something I really want to do. I want to get my own fruit. I want my own orchard, Mr. Organic orchard, and have my own fruit. Organic fruit, of course. So hit me up. But anyway, man, I'm gonna pull up the pristine detail and check on the vet. Serena, I love you, man. We'll get you all the way together. 3 of them. Like, before I pull up in this motherfucker, man, my dog Andretti is linked below, man. He got the beats. Yeah, talk to me. Someone got them, man. Talking to me, man. The gun. Oh, what's on your lap? Relax, baby. Yeah. How that shit came in, Andretti, you a cold nigga, man. Yeah, that pure gargoyle shit. Yeah, you wanna be the go, but got the stomach for it. I never do it big, I know that I'm heroic. I'm heroic, Superman in his prime. I got the kryptonite bitch all around my eye. I'm Iron Man with a ability on me. I'm Black Panther when I do it with uranium. Yeah, Wolverine, uranium in my veins. I came to go
weak ass freestyle. But listen up, shout out to my dog Andretti. Make sure you hit him on SoundCloud for these beats. The beats is crazy. That joint hard. You know I gotta write something to that too. Let me know if y'all rocking with that beat. I think it's hard. Let's how that sample come in though. I do something. The same thing I did, God on my side. Been hard, man. Motherfucking mastermind. Woo! Yeah! Look at the mouth gestures. Yeah! Those with Stevenson, man. Whole lot of jury in my mind. Shout out to my dog, Mary Smile. Okay, so the hood and shit ain't done yet, but it's okay. So we got the colors here today. My dog Hemp. We got the let's see what tire lettering. Just gotta paint that bumper, get that painted up. You know, I'm coming in, checking shit regular. We got the colors. Y'all wanna see the colors of the rap? I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peeks, man. Let's give them one. What's that right there? Let's give them one little taste. I'm gonna give them two. See what's in there.
Both the colors are in here.
Oh, they both in there?
Yeah.
Oh shit, pull out one first, give them a little taste.
Well, it's all in one roll.
It's all in one roll?
Yeah.
It's all together?
Yeah.
Let me just see then.
Just throw it in the box.
Oh, so y'all get a little, hey. But I can pull it up. Yeah. This motherfucking big box. I'll give y'all one little color because it's on the outside. Oh, don't get too nosy. But you see that? I'll give y'all some green. So you got the neon yellow and the green. You know what I mean? Oh, can't get y'all too much. So that's what we got going on for y'all. No update. So the wrap colors are in. Been waiting on that. That's gonna be done soon, hopefully. Within this week by Friday. Yeah, by Friday we should have, we pushing it, but we need it by Friday.
We will.
Yeah, Friday we done?
Yeah.
Okay, my dog Hemp stamped it right there.
Yeah.
There you go.
There we go.
Man, add my dog on Instagram, Snapchat. Tell them all everything you got, Hemp.
Yeah, it's just Reg on Instagram, and I don't even know what my Snapchat is. Is it just Reg or?
My dog just Reg, man. You know he be drifting and all that. And then if you
I
ever,
don't really use it that much.
You don't use it that much. But Instagram what you use, right?
Sort of.
Yeah, a little bit. He's just a real inconclusive type, low-key type.
Oh, it's Reg86.
Let me see that for sure.
On
Reg86. Give my dog Hemp, man. He the one did all the body work. Let's check out the bumper again. You know what I mean? Because he got that all done. Now you just got to paint it now, right?
Yeah, well I just got done sanding it just now.
Oh, you got done sanding it up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sanded it smooth.
Yeah.
Before it. Yeah, so it's.
Oh, it's super smooth. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
It feels like all the rest.
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah, it's super smooth, yeah.
That's dope. Okay. Did a great job right there, man. You know what I'm saying? That was a little work. Most time people just buy a new bumper, you know what I mean? But I did it unconventional way.
Yeah, I mean, as you can see, it looks good as new.
Yeah, brand goddamn new. Because my dog Hemp put that touch on there. So we're good to go with that. Just gotta paint that now, right?
Yeah, just gonna paint it. So I'll paint this tonight.
Okay.
And then I'll fix up that door tonight and then have the door painted tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
And then we'll try to get the wrap on as soon as possible.
Okay, dope, man.
Yeah.
Great update, man. So this Corvette rebuild, day 5, great update. At least the colors are in. Y'all seen that? Comment below if y'all saw the colors and what y'all think that's gonna look like. So some of y'all saw that. Y'all saw a little bit of fluorescent green. I gave you that's another color. Y'all seen that? Comment below and tell me what you really think it is, because it might be something you think, but it not be. But comment below. Then you gotta think about how the combination gonna be, how we gonna do it, right? Because it's 3 different colors. How we gonna put that together? Oh, it's gonna be legendary. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be legendary. Right, Hemp?
Right.
All right, man, we out here 3. I'm right. All right, so let me break it down for y'all. I saw the colors. Some of y'all probably saw both the colors, but okay, the neon will stay in the front. Of course, we're gonna do it over, make it crisper. Now the black is gonna be all black. Down here, all the way through the trunk, gonna be black. This part gonna be one color, to the hips, to the ass. Then the doors is gonna be another color. And how we sequence this together is gonna be crazy. So y'all saw the neon green. So y'all could, what part do you think the neon green is gonna go? Comment below and let me know. So this is neon yellow. Y'all saw the neon green. Y'all might have saw the other color a little bit. But comment where you think that's gonna be. Remember, this whole top is gonna be black. So how we gonna do it? How we gonna cut it up? It ain't gonna be camo, it's gonna be chopped up. It's gonna be like a design. How we gonna do it? So look at the car and then let me know what you think, all right? Let me hop up in the whip. I'm up out of here, man. 3. All right, let me hop up in the Mustang. Hop back in the stinky Stang. All right, man, there you go. There you go, there you go, there you go. Let you know. Matter of fact, let me get a little bit of this Get some of my CBD oil, man, to give me a little more electronicness in my bloodstream. You know what I mean? Cause I'm about to go work out. You know what I mean? So it's on the right. Oh, go to my damn leg. But I'm alright, I'm cool. You know what I'm saying? About to get my workout on, so you know this helps rebuild and replenish everything. Goes with anxiety and all the extra stuff that some of y'all might go through. Not the guard, you know, I'm too biblical. But get it right, man. There we go. We do a little cricket on you like that, man. Get a good vibe of it. Come on, man. Remember, man, get how many drops? I don't even tell how many drops you get. 3 of them, man. Remember, this is 100%, 99.85% CBD, man. No extras, man. You know, I don't do no drugs, never have, so it ain't no THC in there at all. You know, and it's pure. I'm gonna take y'all to the factory and all that when I get it all the way done. We're working on the packaging right now. It's gonna be out soon, so stay tuned, man. Y'all gonna be blessed with that. But other than that, I'm up out of here, man, keeping it biblical as ever. Gotta go work out. Remember, health is wealth. Take care of yourself, man. Drink water, eat fruit. You know what I'm saying? Eat honey, get to the money, man. Remember, guys, stay positive through all intense and situations, and stay grounded and have perseverance. Don't be afraid of the grind. Don't be afraid of ups and downs that come with this, man. Comes with it. Buckle down and keep on going and keep on growing. That's what I need y'all to do. Remember, build a brand, man. God, Mr. Organic saying.
3 up.
I'm out. 3 up. Swipe.
3 up. The guard. The gargoyle. Gargoyle gang. Gang stands for going after new goals.